Traders, Anthony here. What I want to do is go through the last 2 days trade ideas or trade signals sent to VIP. So September the 9th back to the 8th. Let's see how they're stacking up. I've actually marked them up. Okay, Aussie CAD's in the money. The Euro CAD, target 1 was reached here. Pound CAD in the money. Target 1 reached. We take 70% off at target 1 and the rest is in profit risk-free. UK 100. Same thing, this one, 70% taken off at T1, US 100. This one here, yesterday we traded, we closed down here in the money, pulled our stop loss down, profitable trade. T1, as soon as T1 is reached, these are profitable US oil. Same thing, actually, 5-minute chart. I did a video on this, 2 videos actually, you could watch those on our strategy. 6 trades in the money, our win rate 85% across the board. If you go to Discord, you can go to the VIP channel up here, and this will give you the last 120, I think, trades we've taken. You can see the win rate. I'm making this incredibly affordable. Here's the link, tradingwithanthony.com. There's nothing like this out there anywhere. Okay, there's different options in here. This is a 12 monthly. This one's a 6 monthly, pulled every 3 months, lifetime. Join us and enjoy the journey. We have daily trade ideas, tutorials, education, everything's available in here for very little exchange on your part. Why is it so affordable, guys? I think there's a need for this in the world and I want to make it available for others. I don't need a lot back. I enjoy the community and sharing the ideas, and you're welcome to join. With that, I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and see you in the next video.